Right. Definitely forgot I had the GoPro in my bag. But we're out here fishing today at the Chemung River. And it is, it's a little dirty, can't lie. Also can't tell if the GoPro is facing anything good, but we already caught 2 smallmouth, guys. We've been here for about 25 minutes. We caught 2 smallmouth. We just moved up to this spot. First cast, caught one. But yeah, we're gonna get a couple more casts out there and we'll see if we get something good. Let's prime up another one. There's a lot of structure out there, so I'm feeling pretty confident. We got on a tube jig. Brownish color on top, red on the bottom. Looks like a crawdad. There's a lot of structure out there, and those MFs love the structure. We're under a major road right now. About an hour and a half from home, truthfully. So I've never been out here. I'm feeling good. Feeling real good. We're also wet wading today, so we got our pants and our wading boots on today, so in case we do get a little bit wet, it's okay. But you can see this is what we're rocking with. Right on the other side. I actually came out here, guys, to go fish down there. There's what looks like a little spillway. What did we cast that direction? See if anybody comes out. There's a little spillway on the side of the highway, and it looks good. Oh, we got one. Oh. It's a little boy. Nice. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. Oh, slippery pig. Tube jig fits pretty much in his entire mouth, so it's a little difficult to just get my thumb in there. Wow, guys, look at that. He is barely hooked. Oh, let's go. A nice little smallmouth. Let's go. It's number 3. You guys can't see it, but right out where I just cast, there's a nice rock. And if there's one thing about these fish is they love structure. Also looks like there's a lot of weeds around that rock. So maybe we won't cast there again. Maybe we will. Back there though, that worked. It looks like there's tire tracks going back here, but damn. I don't know how they're getting back here or what cars are coming back here, but there are some cars. All right, finally made it. It is, it's quiet. Not too much going on. We're just gonna toss out a little night crawler. Very slow. I could see a lot of fish down there, but they're all like yay big. Nothing really sizable. All right, we got it. Ooh, a little too much mustard. Oh. Look at that, guys. It's a little bass. It is a little bass. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Who would have thunk? And back in you go. Thank you for happening. Thanks for coming. Our worm is pretty much done. I got plenty more though, but get that untangled. Drop it right back down there. Let's see what else is down there. There's another guy. Oh, too small. They look like little sunfish. What kind of sunfish though, I have to see. All right, guys. Holy shit, I didn't even hear that guy coming up. But we caught one. We got a, right here we got a green sunfish. Look at that. It's a real pretty one. Oh, I got on my shirt. All right, I'll cut that out. But that's a green sunfish. It's got the blue going along the sides, and it's got a big mouth. Big mouth for a sunfish. It's really pretty though, really pretty. Caught a couple of these this year so far. It's a larger size one that I've caught. I'll take it. Holy crap, guys. I didn't even see that guy come up. That could have been so bad. He was so quiet. Where did he come from? All right. Got a couple more sunfish up there. We are going to work our... There's a lot of trash down there. We're gonna work our way down here. See what's popping down here. Nothing. Geese. We'll find a spot. Might cut across here and try to get out to that main channel. All right, we are in it now. We are out in the middle of the river, casting some current, see if we get another smallmouth. Feeling good. Got a different colored tube on this time, so we'll see if different colored tube does it for him. I don't usually like to go like more than... Oh, we got one, guys. All right. Real small guy, but I thought we had one, and then I was like, ah, no, we don't. Nice. On the tube, on the tube. Ow, ow, almost hooked myself. Holy cow, guys, we barely got him hooked again. Let's go. Look at that. A nice little Chemung River smallmouth. Not very big, but you know, I'm just happy to catch him. It is just beautiful. Okay. All right, let's let him just like that, he is gone. Wow, guys, I truthfully didn't even know we had one there. I felt the tug, I thought it was a rock. Counted, I think that's 1, 2. That's smallie number 4. Count it. I don't love these clouds. Ooh, I don't love these clouds that are coming in. I mean, I love to have a nice sun out, so I can see where I'm walking. It certainly helps. But I was gonna say right before I caught that, guys, I don't like to go for like mid-thigh and deeper. So like right now we're at knee level. Knee level's pretty close to my max I like to be. Oh, what just happened? I had one. Oh. Oh my God, we have one. No, we don't. We don't. Oh, guys, we had one and we lost him. Shoot. All right, will adjust our tube here a little bit as tentacles are getting tangled up. PM. Is this thing still on? It is. All right. All right, guys. We are back into another one. I didn't even move spots. It's just 2 more casts after. Oh no! No! We had him. We just lost him, guys. Curses. Oh, I just cast in that exact same spot I was just in, and that worked. Oh, curses. Oh man. We're gonna cast right back in that exact same spot. I didn't even move my feet from the last spot. If you could see the tube. This cloud's really effing me up. Yeah, I just pulled my glasses down to look in the water and you guys can't see. Oh, what the shell? What just happened? I don't know. Right back on that side. It's getting a little deep for my liking. Oh shit, we had one. There he is. He's a bit, nah. I'm not upset about it. Can't tell if he's big or not. They fight so hard. Oh no, we lost him again. What am I doing? Oh no. Oh, I'm such a bonehead. What am I doing? What am I doing? How am I missing these fish? They must just be sitting over there, guys. There he is. This guy's not getting off this time. Let's go, let's go. Oh! I must just not be getting good hook sets, guys. Holy cow. He got right in front of me. Maybe I just gotta muscle him in. Oh, I had one. Oh my god, no, he's not. What is going on at the end of my line, guys? Frick. There's one. Nope. All right, this guy's a little bit better. Not gonna lose this one. Oh shit. Oh. Biggest one of the day, baby. Oh, he's gonna start running again. Oh, come on. There we are. Let's go, guys. Biggest one of the day. Let's freaking go. Let's go. He's not mad. You know, I'm not upset about that. He's the biggest one of the day. Let's go. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ow. Thank you, my good sir. And away he goes. Nice, guys, nice. That was the biggest one of the day. Let's keep going. Alright guys, GoPro died on me out there. I had an extra battery here in the car. But it's starting to rain. It's going to start raining. It's looking like it's going to pour out here. So we're going to wrap it up for today. Great day. We got probably a dozen smallmouth. And I just did some little fishing on my way back. And I probably caught a couple dozen little green sunfish. A couple good sized ones, but not the fish I was looking for. I was looking for a fall fish today, guys. But didn't get one. That's okay. Still a pretty electric day out here. But hopefully you liked the video. And we'll come back in for the next one. Make sure you stay chubbed up. I hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure you drop a like and come back for the next one. And stay chubbed up.